Yo, it's a pinata.
Yo, Viper, it's a pinata.
Yo, come on.
I'm jerking it. I mean, yeah, all right, let's go.
That and this. Oh yeah. Hit him.
Oh, bro, it's tangled.
Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, busted.
Do one more good hit. And oh, yo, this is such a funny prank. Well,
I'm hurt.
hey,
I'm hurt.
oh, shut up. Man, what a nice day in animal company.
Hey, can I have a hook shot?
What?
Can I have a hook shot?
There's a bunch of hook shots in that machine. Go,
Really?
go. Yeah,
Really?
go, come on. Yeah.
Hey, where's my hook shot?
He doesn't know. Yeah. Yeah. Man, I've had a long day at work.
Hey, do you like my outfit?
Hell nah! Your outfit sucks.
Ah.
What? Hey, come on.
Yeah. Should have done that.
What the hell? Oh, no!
You should not have done that.